I share these stories with you so that your English listening, reading, and speaking skills can improve. I truly hope that through these stories, you learn how to learn reading English, how to learn spoken English, and how to learn English through stories. In a small village, there lived a boy named Shafiq. He was very playful, but he had one bad habit. He used to lie all the time. One day, while herding goats in the field, he shouted, "Tiger! Tiger is coming! Help me!" The villagers ran to save him. But when they reached there, they saw there was no tiger. Shafiq laughed loudly. The villagers got angry and went back. The next day, Shafiq did the same thing again. "Tiger! Tiger is coming!" People came running once more, but again they were fooled. This time, they said, "This boy is a liar. We'll never believe him again." A few days later, a real tiger came. Shafiq screamed in fear, "Tiger! Tiger! Please help me!" But no one came. By the time the villagers arrived, his goats were already dead. Shafiq cried and said, "Now I understand. If you lie once, no one will believe your truth again." Don't forget to write in the comments, what lesson did you learn from this story?